What's up, guys, and welcome to the official Union Street level crossing tour. Now this is a 2-gate, 4-signal level crossing on the Upfield line that sees trains to Upfield. Now let's start the tour. So for this signal over here, we've got an unmarked base, black with right riding stop on the red signal sign, 4 Westinghouse LEDs on 2 Westinghouse cross arms, 2 track sign, crossback, another 2 Westinghouse LEDs on 1 Westinghouse cross arm, crossback, pole cap. And for the gated mast over here, we've got an unmarked space, Westinghouse gate mechanism, general single Z-bell, wishbone gate, and throughout craft gate lights. Now let's get the first activation. And for this signal over here, we've got an unmarked base, black with right writing stop on the red signal sign, 2 Westinghouse LEDs on 1 Westinghouse cross arm, 2 track sign, crossback, another 2 Westinghouse LEDs on 1 Westinghouse cross arm, crossback, pole cap. And for the gated mast over here, we've got an unmarked base, Westinghouse gate mechanism, 2 Westinghouse LEDs on 1 Westinghouse cross arm, general single Z-bell, wishbone gate, and throughout craft gate lights. Now let's get the last activation.